It's hard, guys. It's really hard. Ah, it's tiring, man. Hey guys, Billy in the kitchen, chapter 2. Egg Benedict. 什么呢？中文？班尼迪克蛋。Okay, will be fun. Watch. Keep the pot in 70 to 75 degrees.
將蛋黃放落去。
咦，爛咗喎喂！
唔怕唔怕唔怕。
唔怕咗。You know what? I haven't used this tool before in my life.
快啲快啲。
It's hard, guys. It's really hard. Ah, it's tiring, man. So now we add the butter in.
係落去。調下味。
Add a bit
係。
vinegar. Not bad. I did okay. Lemon. Hot water, you need to stir it. Make the water turn. So 2 to 3 minutes. This is how you test whether the egg is done or not. You know what? It's important to put some vinegar into the water. The eggs are done. Now we need to bake the English muffin. You need to pay attention, close attention. Oh, because it cooks really fast. Oh my God! Hold on. My God, this is funny. Okay. Now we have everything ready to prepare the egg Benedict. Okay. Ooh. This is the baby spinach.
Okay.
Organic. Avocado, right?
啱啦。
Avocado, fresh avocado. Salmon, smoked salmon. All right.
係啦。
放喺上面。哦，明白，係啱。
係啦。蓋住佢。
蓋住佢。
係。中間蓋住佢，蓋住個蛋。係啦。
Oh, decoration. Okay, olive oil. Okay.
好似仲差啲咩嘢喎？
差啲咩咧？
差啲配搭。
Oh, okay. Oh, this is how they do it at THREEDROPS, okay? You don't have to do it at home, but nice. Thank you very much. This is the egg Benedict by Billy. 你試下咯喎。Okay. So now Chef Pepper is going to try my big egg Benedict and see how much score he's going to give me, huh? Yes! Yes! Yes!
非常的完美啊
5分滿分，幾多少分啊？你覺得
？6分。
不可能，不可以。認真說，5分滿分。
可以給
4.5
4.5分。
分。Yes. Yes.
So OK，過來上班呀。
Yes. Okay, now I'm going to cut this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Thank you, Chef Pepper. THREEDROPS. I'm happy. So stay tuned, guys. More to come. Wait for next month.